Ebenezer Okoye. They call me Benny, solar water heater. Questions asked by clients or prospective clients. So we called me on the phone and said, Mr. Benny, you told us that solar water heater is solar enabled. It gives hot water. What's up? When there is no sunlight, what do I do? When there is no sunlight, you have no problem. This is a hybrid variant. SOLWAH solar water heater is a hybrid variant. Hybrid in the sense that it comes with auxiliary heating elements. I will show you the auxiliary heating element very soon. This is the auxiliary heating element. This is the auxiliary heating element that enables you to heat water using electricity in the event that there is no sunlight for longer days. Mind you, this is solar water heater. It's solar enabled. Sun heats the tubes that goes into here and you get your hot water. So now this is the auxiliary heating element. It goes in here. Then your wire from here goes to the smart controller. Another beautiful thing about this solar water heater is that it comes with a smart controller. The smart controller enables you to operate this solar water heater at the comfort of your home. What are the things, these functions? To know the temperature of water here real time, to know the level of water inside the solar water heater, to load in water, and to activate it to use this. Using this to heat water is optional. You can decide not to use this if you are living in a sunny region. If the region you are staying is very, very sunny, you may not need this. You may not even need to use this. But if you have rainfall during rainy season and there is no sunlight, at that point in time, you use this. This comes together with the whole package. It will be installed, but it's at your discretion whether to use it or not. The sun can give you your hot water. Today on the following number displayed on your screen. My name is Ebenezer Okoye. Make no mistake, my name is Ebenezer Okoye of Rodotrep Integrated Services Limited. We are Rodotrep and we are good at what we do. Call us today and you'll never regret it. Orúkọ mi ni Ebenezer Okoye. Wọ́n pè mí ní Benny solar water heater. Aha m bụ Ebenezer Okoye. A na-akpọ m Benny solar water heater. Sunana Ebenezer Okoye. Amana kirani Benny solar water heater. My name na Ebenezer Okoye. But if you call me Benny solar water heater, no only me the bearer. No only me be Benny solar water heater. I go answer you. Gidigba. Thank you. God bless you.